What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the sweetest place on earth. We are here at Hersheypark, but today we're not here to ride. We're here to eat. We are meeting up with our friends and fellow vloggers Jay and Sam from the theme Park Foodies and Erik Niel from Erik Niel to try out a little bit of chocolatier fondue. I hope you're hungry because we sure are. Tim, Katie, we do things like this. As you guys may know from some of our previous vlogs, the chocolatier typically has a very long wait list. The earlier you get here, the better, which is why we're very thankful for Jay and Sam getting here right at open, because we just got a text from them that our table was already ready. We don't have to wait at all. What is up? Hello, how's it going?
Jay and Sam? You know what we look like.
Yeah, exactly. So we met Jay and Sam virtually a while back, and we've been addicted to their content ever since. Do you guys want to tell us about specifically your channel and what you do?
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for asking. So we rate foods a lot, like theme park foods mostly, from 1 to 10, but we also rated other themed places. We do a lot of hotel tours, I think, like called the theme park food.
A lot of food.
It's quality. It is like serious quality vlogs, guys. You really need to check them out.
Tim, that means a lot. Like seriously, because we feel the same way. We're huge fans of this channel, and if you haven't subbed, please sub to this channel. Such like the editing, the kinetic energy of the vlogs, like so good.
Their personality.
Yeah.
Sometimes people's personality, I feel like, kind of takes over their vlog, but yours is just like the perfect balance.
Oh, thanks, guys. There he is, the man of the hour. So, guys, this is Erik Niel. He's a local Hersheypark vlogger. He's got some really amazing content that we've been diving into a lot more recently. So we were actually introduced to him through the theme Park Foodies because they actually were here at the Chocolatier together. I don't know why I'm gesturing. No one can see me.
We were all here at the same time.
Yeah, we were all here on opening day. So, do you want to talk a little bit about what you do and introduce everyone?
So we live in town. We've lived here about 11 years. So we've been kind of doing the Hersheypark thing, and just doesn't seem like there's too many people that actually focus too much on Hershey itself. So I just started going around and hitting all the fun spots in Hershey. So like downtown Hershey, Hershey Story, Hersheypark, obviously. Now the Chocolatier's open. We have some great places to eat. So
it's really.
It's a great town to live in.
Yeah, the experience at Hershey is definitely bumped up like year over year, so it's getting way more worth vlogging, I would say, as time goes on. So we went ahead and ordered some apps here, guys. We did get the chocolate quesadillas. Don't know how that one works yet, but we're excited to find out. And then we also got the highly controversial peanut butter hummus, which sounds good on paper, but has had very mixed reviews.
Is it a hint of sweetness with the peanut butter? There's that creamy peanut butter flavor. I don't think peanut butter and peanut goes well together unless you have like jelly or something.
Oh, that was not a happy face.
Yeah,
I don't think you don't look like a fan.
I like all of these things, so I love peanut butter.
And Katie got the peanut butter martini, which she's had her eye on for some time. And how is it? Does it taste like peanut butter and chocolate?
It does. It's like a melted Reese's cup with an adult twist.
This is the key. Does it do? Oh, it doesn't do the cheese goo.
No.
So admittedly the bar is lower because the cheese didn't goosh when I cut it, but
no goosh.
Let's see. That's good.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
You have sour cream all over your lips. Oh wow. It's weird, like I can't taste the chocolate. Yeah. But I think like altogether the combo of flavors is really good.
This is what happens when a bunch of vloggers get together. Alright guys, get ready to behold the smorgasbord of things we have ordered here at this table. So round robin here, what did everyone get?
I got the cocoa Cuban.
I got Milton's chicken and waffles made by the Milton Hershey School, or formulated it.
Got a grilled chicken sandwich here. I don't remember everything that's in it, but I know that I like it.
I got the fried chicken sandwich and a
side salad that is the size of your head.
Yeah, and these are cocoa covered almonds, so some chocolate in there.
And I got the buffalo chicken salad sans blue cheese crumbles because I don't really care for them, but full disclosure, I've had this salad before and I know it's terrific, so I'm happy. So Jay has an interesting take on the chicken and waffles here at the Chocolatier. You wanna?
Yeah, no. So I've had the chicken and waffles downstairs at Milton's, and I've had the chicken and waffles up here. I particularly like the chicken and waffles at Milton's more. And that's not saying that I think it's a better quality. I just enjoy the flavor profile of the chicken and waffles down there at Milton's. And that's because I think that the ones downstairs, they kind of stick to almost like a savory type of this is what it tastes like. This is a combination of spicy, sweet, and savory, all in one. Some people may like this. I'm not a particularly huge fan of that. This is why I rated it 7. I think the quality is definitely a fresh waffle. It's real chicken. Downstairs is probably more processed chicken. But for me, flavor-wise, I think that one is better only because I feel like it knows what it is. I think this one almost has an identity crisis.
It's here! Have you ever seen a dish where 2 cheesecakes are stacked on top of each other? So basically what this is a healthy combination of many different dippers. Fruit, cheesecake, pound cake, cookies, Rice Krispie treats, all kinds of little things to dip. And then you have like a combination marshmallow chocolate sauce, which is already melting all over the place. The cheesecake doesn't hold together particularly well as you're dipping it, but the other stuff does, and the cheesecake still tastes delicious. This is like a perfect dessert, as long as you have a group large enough to consume it. Here we go.
Oh, that's nice.
Beautiful.
That's art.
No, that's what I struggled with too.
Want me to help you?
Yeah, try.
Here.
Teamwork makes the dream work. I do have to wonder if every time someone orders the fondue, the staff is like, I'm gonna have so much to clean up later. Because it's really tough to make it to your plate without dribbling a little bit. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for us here at the Chocolatier. Amazing experience as always. Any highlights from the peanut gallery here?
Fondue, man.
Fondue?
It's fun. And you must
I thought the quesadilla was very good.
The quesadilla was also very good, yeah. And my buffalo chicken salad was awesome, but I was expecting it to be because I've had it before, so stick with what works sometimes. I want to really thank Jay and Sam for joining us here, and Eric, stay safe, stay healthy. Remember that every day is a new adventure.